What's your name?
Oh, my name is Aziza. What's your name?
My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Please, I miss you, baby.
Are you a new student too?
Yes, I am a new student too.
What faculty are you from?
I am from the Faculty of Economic and Business.
What study program are you from?
I am from the Management Study Program.
Oh, what's the coincidence? I'm also from the Management Study Program.
Oh, it's really objectionable.
Yes. By the way, who are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for my older brother.
Oh, your older brother want to pick you up?
Yeah.
Dia tapi pura-pura kayak serta lewat.
Oh gosh, he's taking so long.
Just wait a little longer. He definitely come.
Oh, finally, he's here. Okay, I will go with Jessica. See you later.
Yeah, see you.